Hi, this is Ashwin. I'm co-founder and CEO of Iconist. At Iconist, we provide AI-accelerated medical imaging for faster and affordable scanning. Our vision is to improve clinical response, patient convenience, and resource utilization in healthcare. As part of Type 2 grant, we have provided the POC of Icon QuickDiag Lung. Icon QuickDiag Lung is a pre-screening solution for COVID-19 and pneumonia. It takes less than 1 minute once scan is uploaded to get the results, and it is easily deployable and compatible with the different types of X-ray machines. The same thing can be extended for CT analysis. We have got high accuracy with greater than 90% detection rate. The way it works is that uh, once the scan is done, either it is uploaded directly from the X-ray machine through DICOM interface, or we can take a snapshot and do a mobile upload of X-ray. It goes to our cloud solution where we run AI algorithms, which is based on deep learning, to detect the whether the scan from the scan whether the patient has likelihood of COVID-19 or pneumonia or it is normal. It not just that, it will also provide the affected region from the scan. The software is cloud hosted and the software gets data from PAC scanner or mobile phones, and it is scalable to millions of scans. The cloud software is the one which analyzes and detects abnormalities, and then physician recommend can see the results of AI lung infection analysis and can take care of further actions. So it is a triaging technique where when there are several scans and there is a depth of radiologist in tier 2 and tier 3 cities, based on triaging, uh, it can be prioritized and such a patient's can be referred for further RT-PCR check based on the AI lung analysis, whether based on whether there is a likelihood of patient having COVID-19 or not. Based on from the confusion matrix, we can see that we have achieved a sensitivity of about 90% for all the three classes, but about 99% for COVID-19 detection. Whereas specificity, we got about 88% for all the classes, 100% specificity for COVID-19. We'll start with some demo. Now, I will show you simple demo appeared from your mobile. So from your mobile, the X-ray scan, and we choose this will return the result of COVID-19. And the area in the lung where it is infected. Now I will show a demo of the Icon Viewer, which is
To a demo
used by
report
radiologists.
generating. So this is basically the icon viewer, and we have a study here. Let me just go and click it. Once after I open it, I'll have two images over to my left. So this is basically the unprocessed X-ray file, and this is the processed X-ray file. As you could see here, these are the areas of infection. And if you could see here, the percentage of infection would be provided as well. The right lung seems to have 11.13 percentage of infection, and the left lung seems to have 20.88 percentage of infection. So we have provision for adding comments as well. So let me just add up a comment. Now I'm done with addition of comment. Let me download this report. I'm going to save this file right now. Let me open the file. So we'll have patient's details in the top, and in the report section, we'll have the image along with the percentage of infection and the comments which we just added up right now.
Next, we'll show how this same can be used on
Hello
mobile.
everyone. In this video, I'm going to show a demonstration of Icon Viewer mobile app. So let me open up the app first. So like as soon as we open, I have logged in as user AI. So in case if you have not logged in, we'll be prompted to log in. So initially, once after logging in, we'll be able to see the study list page. So let me just open up any study now. Yeah. So after once we open up the study, we'll have the list of series in the first tab. We can scroll through this. Right now, I have displayed a chest X-ray file, and let me just show one of the image. So after clicking zoom, I can zoom into the picture. Here we could see the percentage of infection. Right lung infection seems to be 10%, and left lung that doesn't seem to be an infection, and it likely seems to be a pneumonia. So let me reset. Yeah. We can also see the area of infection. We can alter the contrast as well. We need to choose the levels icon, and we can either swipe to our right or left or in the top down axis. As you could see, the contrast levels are changing right now. So that's about the demonstration. Thank you.
So our USP is that we support the photographs taken from mobile of X-ray view. As we know that a lot of places in tier 2, tier 3 cities, still analog X-rays are used. The solution is highly scalable with the cloud infrastructure. Can be deployable in semi-urban and rural areas. It is a triaging software to refer to a physician based on the severity of infection. It's provided along with the workflow solution as we have demonstrated it. It is useful for tier 2 and tier 3 towns where X-ray is uploaded by taking its picture and triaging is done in the cloud to get the preferential access to radiologists and the hospitals based on the severity. It gives prioritized healthcare access to the needy people using mobile phone. Competitive advantage, we have support photographs from non-digital X-ray, and it's highly scalable infrastructure. And not just that, we also provide other solutions like we scan for fast MRI scans, which will reduce the actual scanning time, and provide other AI solutions like QuickDiag for brain and prostate. So it can be used with along with other solutions as well. So we want to install in 3 hospitals in semi-urban areas and then scale to other 10 hospitals. It's a SaaS-based model where we charge based on the number of scans with a time validity. Example, 1,000 scans for 3 months. So we'll be connecting to tier 3 and tier 3 centers to the major urban radiology centers who we are talking as a partners. So thank you, and this concludes our presentation.